I've always liked finding toys that do more than just keep kids busy. I wanted something that would actually keep them interested while also encouraging them to think, build, and stay creative. And this kit turned out to be a really good choice. Everything comes organized and the instructions are easy to follow. You can use book or even an app to follow each step. That makes the whole experience enjoyable right from the start. Once the building begins, it really grabs kids' attention. It's challenging enough to feel exciting and rewarding, but still simple enough for 5 or 6 years old. My son was very happy and super excited because right now he has 12 toys to build. What I liked most is that it became more than just another toy. It turned into a fun hands-on activity that keep everyone focused for a long time. This set is very good for boys because they can build actually something that they love. Racing car, robot, excavator, crocodile, drill car, and rocket ship. I also love the quality of details and variety of building opportunities. I can definitely recommend this toy and this type of activity for families.